Hi there. Welcome back to Food Facts for You, where we delve into the nuances of morning nutrition. Today, our focus is on unraveling the significance of breakfast, the implications of skipping it, the impact of sugar in morning meals, and its correlation to our metabolism. Breakfast, often heralded as the most important meal of the day, carries weighty implications. What unfolds when we forget it? Furthermore, let's explore the concealed sugars tucked within our preferred morning repasts. Remarkably, our breakfast staples harbor a surplus of sugar, often camouflaged within ostensibly benign items such as cereals or flavored yogurts. Skipping breakfast not only denies our bodies the essential morning energy surge required to kickstart the day, but also disrupts several crucial bodily functions. Beyond the initial deprivation of essential nutrients, the ramifications can be far-reaching. Without this vital meal, our body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels becomes compromised, leading to fluctuations that can affect our cognitive functions and mood stability. The absence of breakfast can create a domino effect within our metabolic system. It hampers the body's efficiency in metabolizing and utilizing energy from subsequent meals. This disruption often results in mid-morning energy crashes, accompanied by a dip in concentration and productivity. Research suggests that those who habitually skip breakfast may also experience a slowdown in their metabolism, making it harder for the body to burn calories efficiently, potentially contributing to weight management issues over time. Moreover, prolonged skipping of breakfast may induce hormonal imbalances, particularly affecting insulin sensitivity. This imbalance can influence hunger hormones, leading to increased cravings and a tendency to overeat during subsequent meals. In the long term, these habits can contribute to metabolic irregularities, which, when coupled with a sedentary lifestyle, may pose risks for conditions like insulin resistance, diabetes, and obesity. Now, let's delve deeper into the repercussions of excessive sugar intake, particularly during breakfast. Consuming excessive sugar in the morning can trigger rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, setting off a chain reaction in the body's metabolic processes. These rapid spikes are often followed by energy crashes, leaving us fatigued and craving more sugar or refined carbohydrates to regain lost energy. This vicious cycle of energy surges and crashes can not only disrupt our daily productivity, but can also have long-term consequences. Habitual intake of high-sugar breakfast options can lead to insulin resistance over time, causing the body's cells to become less responsive to insulin, a key hormone in regulating blood sugar. This may pave the way for metabolic dysregulation, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular issues. Additionally, excessive sugar intake can promote inflammation within the body, a factor implicated in various chronic diseases. Overconsumption of sugars, especially in processed breakfast items, can contribute to an imbalance in gut bacteria, potentially impacting digestion and overall gut health. Furthermore, a diet consistently high in sugar may affect the liver's function, leading to fatty liver disease and other hepatic complications. Therefore, it becomes imperative to be mindful of our breakfast choices, aiming for a balance that includes nutrient-dense, whole foods over sugary, processed options. By prioritizing a breakfast rich in proteins, healthy fats, and fiber, we can steer clear of the detrimental effects of both skipping breakfast and excessive sugar intake. Expert explaining overindulgence in sugar, particularly during the morning meal, can incite sharp fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Long-term ramifications may encompass various health concerns, including weight management issues and disruptions to metabolic equilibrium. The fundamental question arises, should we conscientiously circumvent excessive sugar intake during breakfast? Experts advocate for a balanced approach. In summary, viewers, the essence of breakfast is indisputable. Its absence can perturb our daily routines, while an overabundance of sugars can plunge our energy levels into unpredictable turmoil. Mindful selections, however, empower us to fortify our mornings, sans the sugar roller coaster. Now, let's dive deeper into the relationship between breakfast and our metabolic processes. Breakfast plays a pivotal role in jump-starting our metabolism after an overnight fast. When we consume a balanced morning meal, it ignites our metabolic engines, promoting the efficient burning of calories throughout the day. Expert. Elaborating. Breakfast essentially breaks the fast our bodies undergo during sleep. It kickstarts our metabolism. Skipping breakfast can potentially slow down our metabolic rate, leading to suboptimal calorie burning and energy expenditure. Therefore, a well-structured breakfast is not only about satisfying hunger, but also about setting the metabolic pace for the day. It's about providing the necessary fuel to rev up our body's engines, ensuring optimal performance and energy utilization. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the choices we make for our morning meals can significantly impact our overall well-being. Engage with us, like, and subscribe for further nutritional insights to invigorate your mornings. Until next time, revel in your breakfast choices and sustain that metabolic harmony.